National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Alamance County, Randolph County, southern Guilford County, northwestern Chatham County until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McLeonsville to near Thomasville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Asheboro, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, McLeonsville, Archdale, Trinity, Pleasant Garden, and Jamestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, and Randolph. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson, northwest